Hello everyone, myself Aisha Banu, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Turvekere. Today I will be telling about a small topic from the subject Business Environment, and I am going to cover the meaning of business and objectives of business. So first, let us know the meaning of business. In the literal sense, the word business means what keeps one busy or occupied functionally. So, in usually the word business means what keeps one busy, but in the real sense, it refers to those human activities which involve production or purchase of goods with the object of selling them at profit. So here, business means it involves either production of goods for the purpose of selling and earning profit, or purchase of goods with the object of selling them and earning profit. It includes only those human activities which are directed towards earning money or creating profit. Now let us see the objectives of business. Here it has two main classification. The first one is economic objectives and second one is social objectives. First, let us see the economic objectives of business. The first and the very important objective of any business is to earn profit. It is the backbone of any business enterprise. Usually profit means it is the excess of income over expenses, and it acts as a main motivator for the businessman and helps in judicious allocation of his resources. And usually profit is required by the businessman for achieving his other objectives like growth, expansion and survival. So the next objective is growth. The another primary objective of business is growth. Here, earning profit is not enough for any businessman. His business should grow in all the directions. And the ways and means how a business can grow is by adding more products, or increasing their market share, or by diversifying their business into new areas, or expanding their markets, or cutting down their cost, or either by increasing their productivity. Okay, so third objective is innovation. Innovation is nothing but bringing changes in the existing thing. Here, if your business is not going to bring the changes, then the competitors will take away their share of business. So innovation has become an important thing for the businessman. Let us know the social objectives of business. The first one is employee satisfaction and development. The employees working in the business needs to be compensated through fair wages, salaries and bonus, medical facilities, housing facilities and other benefits. So it is usually said that the employees will work with great sincerity if they are properly cared by their employers. So employee satisfaction and development is also one of the secondary objective of business. So next one is service to society. Here it is usually the main objective of non-profit enterprises, but for profit making enterprises it is a secondary objective. Here being a part of the society, the business needs to take care of the society by providing safe and quality goods at reasonable prices, and providing employment, maintaining and protecting the ecology, or supporting less privileged sections of the society, etc. So the next one is quality products and services. Usually businessman's objective, main objective of every businessman is to create and retain the customers. So how they are going to make it means by providing quality goods and services. This is the only way you can retain your customers. So next one is fair return to investors. Yet another objective of business is to provide fair returns to their investors. So here it has given about the shareholders. In case of companies, they should get proper return on their investments in the form of dividends, because if the investors do not get the fair return, they may not invest in your business.